it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? It's Saturday today, so happy Saturday to you. Hope you have an amazing week ahead. And yeah, sending love to you all. House is so quiet, I don't know what to do. But I do know I'm going to be doing some Madam Glam using some of the colours from Confetti Dreams. And they're absolutely gorgeous. I'm saying it again, yes, I know. So I'm just trying to do something like along the lines, feeling the Korean vibe. That palette is clean. It's just, yeah, it's gone through a lot. So I'm going to put some chairs down on the palette. And also some new me. Because when I swatched these colours, I already knew they were going to go really, really beautifully together. So I'm happy about that. Now I'm going to go in with Madam Glam's Blooming Gel. Finally got some to try. So I cannot wait. So I'm just going to get that on the thumb, like all over. Now it's definitely very freestyle. It's probably just putting a few things together, and I'm trying to definitely go for the Korean aesthetic. I want some of it to have, like, you know, obviously the glassy feel. So I did a full cure. I'm going to use some chrome. And this is before any, you know, top coat or anything. I'm just using that, I guess, tacky layer. I'm literally just gonna dust off all the excess chrome. So this is Make-A-Wish, which is a gorgeous, gorgeous colour. Now you could also use a sponge if you didn't want so much of the gel. You know, the sponge will literally take away just all that excess gel, and then obviously you'll be left with your beautiful glitter. But I wasn't going for that today. I decided to use my Madam Glam ombre brush and just really get it around the nail. Now I don't know what it is, but Moon Tears from Madam Glam just has some pigments for me that just seemed really, really similar. I'm going to use just some of it. Such a stunning cat eye. And shift it on the Moon Tears. And I'm just flashing that for like maybe 10 seconds. And that's just to make sure, you know, we don't lose the shift of the cat eye. I'm going to use the Frosting 3D Arch Gel. And just using this brush, I just want to literally have like a very simple effect. Okay, so it's literally just on that nail, and I did it on that nail. And now I'm going to top coat using my No Wipe top coat from Madam Glam. And that gold embellishment I can go over, so I will be going over that with a little bit of top coat. And just around that cuticle area. Obviously you can use a liner brush just to get there. Just looking at the nail and adding some black rhinestones, little tiny ones, just to add a little bit of black in the nail. So as I said, I was going to do the starbursts and all that good stuff, but I wasn't feeling it all over the nail. Thank you all so much for watching, guys. Here are how the nails look. I did top coat the bum side because, you know, there were some bits where it was definitely... And let's look at that moon tears. It's definitely meant to be on this set with these colours. I'm absolutely loving it. And here's how the thumb looks. Yeah, let me know what you think about this little set. Now, where I use the frosting gel, you can see it was just over where the cat eye, where I put the cat eye. So we get a nice embossed like effect there. Absolutely love that. And that's the thumb. I just put one of those gold embellishments and I had a little heart, so I put it in there. You know, for the people who don't really want to do Valentine's in pink and red or so obvious, but they want some hearts. So yeah, that's what I did, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I will do some finish shots as always. I'm Mama Does Nails and I'm out. Please feel free to use and share the discount codes on screen, guys. Save yourself some money when you order at madamglam.com. Ooh, look at Moon Tears. She's stunning. She is stunning. It's like magic. Alright, here we go again with the cat eye. Gonna be here for 69 million years. Bye, everyone.